Try to reverse this word in 10 seconds. Congratulations, but you may find something pretty strange. If we Uno reverse our race car, the result remains the same. That's because the word is actually a palindrome. The word palindrome comes from the Greek word palis, meaning again, and dromos, meaning way or direction. A palindrome checker could also be very easily implemented in JavaScript. Let's see how can we do it. Let's begin our coding process. So first of all, we want to define a function using the keyword function, and its name is going to be isPalindrome, and of course as a parameter and input. First thing that we want to do is to stringify our input, because strings are easily reversible. And after that we will define our reverse string, that is going to be our initial string being splitted, that will create an array from our string, and we will use the reverse function that is only for the arrays, and in the end we will join back in an initial string. And we want to return if the input string is equal with reverse string. And our function is ready, but we must test it at first. Let's test it with a number that is not a palindrome, 1, 2, 3. After that, let's test it with a number that is palindrome, 1, 2, 1. And let's test it with two other strings. First of all, it will gonna be our first example race car, and in the end we are gonna test it with some other thing that is not a palindrome, and with the string not. And if we run it, you will see that the results are exactly what we expected.